Hi everyone, my name is Natalie. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that second generation Scion vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The sunroof in some of these vehicles tends to shatter spontaneously without being hit by any object. Number 2. The valve cover gasket is prone to develop oil leaks. Number 3. The clutch release bearing tends to become noisy over time. Number 4. The mass airflow sensor is prone to malfunction over time, causing hard starting condition and poor acceleration. Number 5. The CV boots are prone to crack, allowing dirt to enter the CV joint, which damages it, causing it to make sticky noises when accelerating while making a turn. Number 6. The blower motor in some of these vehicles fails suddenly and needs to be replaced. Number 7. The catalytic converters in some of these vehicles fail between 100 and 150,000 miles. Number 8. Some manual transmissions develop grinding noises when shifting in between gears, and sometimes it's hard to place the transmission in gear. Number 9. Some of these vehicles have been recalled because the front brake hoses are prone to develop brake fluid leaks. Number 10. The TPMS sensor are prone to malfunction over time, causing the TPMS light to illuminate on the dashboard. Those are 10 common problems that second generation Scion vehicles are prone to experience. Have a wonderful day!